Hi, today we're going to learn about constructors. First, let's type in a class. Let's call this class new class. Let's add in its public new class. Here, let's type in new class constructor equals new class. Our constructor is here, and it's also here. Our constructor acts like a method. However, you can see here that there's no void. This constructor gets called and it acts like a method when a new object gets created. Let's run this program. Here you can see that nothing happened. That's because we haven't written anything in our constructor. Let's type in system.out.println printing from our constructor. Let's run this program. And here you can see printing from constructor printed out. And the reason why I printed out is because when we created the new class, when we created it, the method or the constructor here automatically runs. Now, if we have some variables here, say int I equals 0. Now let's add in another constructor. Let's call this public new class. This dot I equals I and I here. If you created a constructor with a variable, anytime we create another constructor, the variable varies. Say for example constructor 1 and 2, and instead of using my class, new class from new class without the parameter, we use the class with the parameter I. And there we forgot to type in system.out.println this.I. Then okay, now we're using the class with the parameter. Let's add in 10 here. Let's leave this the same. And here, let's change this to this.I. Let's run this program. Now here you can see 10 and 0. Now, whenever you change the value from one constructor, it stays within that one constructor. So since you changed the I in constructor 1 is going to have an I that's been changed, while constructor 2 does not have an integer I that's been changed. So it stays the same as its default here. Now if you want Now if you print out constructor 1 again using the system dot out dot print line, if you print out constructor 1 dot I, ten will be printed out. However, if you print out constructor 2 dot I, 0 will be printed out. So they don't have the same value when you construct them. They're going to have different values. And this is all for today, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.